Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, November 6th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So the lesson results for the U.S. did come in today, and President Trump, well, Trump is going to be the new president. So that was very, very positive for the dollar, very negative for the dollar pairs, causing the pound dollar to go down pretty strong. Now, I personally think it's more likely a wave 5, and if it is more likely a wave 5, then it still might get some Fibonacci bounces, but it will not break structure. It more likely will just keep on making higher highs, higher lows, and eventually take out the high of wave 4, which to me would likely prove that the wave 1 to the downside on the daily time frame is complete. Now, we don't know that to be true, and some of the other dollar pairs even look like this could be the beginning of a wave 3, which is why we got our Fibonacci retracement out here, because we better pay very, very close attention. If it makes any sort of an ABC shape up to one of these Fibonacci levels with a nice big engulfing move down, then you should probably take it as a short. If this really is a wave 3, it will probably go up to like the 38, maybe the 50%, make 3 waves up, make impulsive down, and continue the downtrend. So for me personally, I'm either waiting for the 3 waves up Fibonacci bounce to go short, or I'm waiting for it to keep on drifting up and break structure, confirming that the wave 1 is over on the much higher time frames, so that we can start looking for buys in an uptrend again. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and as always, thank you and happy trading.